Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Squarespace templates to sell. First, understand that selling templates requires a solid plan and a clear niche. You'll want to identify your ideal client and what kind of website they need. This foundational step ensures your efforts are well-directed, leading to a product that truly resonates with buyers. We'll cover everything from initial design concepts to final sales strategies, making the process straightforward and achievable for you. Before diving into design, meticulously plan your template. Consider its core purpose and the specific industry it will cater to, like small businesses or artists. Researching current Squarespace offerings helps you pinpoint unique selling propositions. Sketch out the layout for essential pages, including a compelling home page, a clear services section, and an easy-to-use contact form. This detailed planning ensures a cohesive and functional design that stands out. Now, it's time to build your vision within Squarespace. Begin with a fresh site or a minimal template to give you maximum creative freedom. Leverage Squarespace's intuitive design tools to customize every element, from elegant fonts to a cohesive color palette. Pay close attention to section layouts and content blocks. Crucially, ensure your template is fully responsive, providing an excellent user experience across all devices, whether it's a large monitor or a small smartphone screen. Once your template is perfected, focus on packaging it for sale. Develop engaging demo content and capture stunning preview images that showcase its best features. Craft comprehensive, easy-to-follow instructions for your buyers, guiding them through installation and customization. Finally, select the ideal platform for selling, whether it's your own Squarespace e-commerce store or a dedicated digital product marketplace. Effective presentation and clear guidance are key to successful sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.